Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we have this platform called ElevenLabs, and this is the best AI realistic speech software. So basically you can create amazing voiceovers using this. Now before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto ElevenLabs. Now jumping straight onto the app, you can see I have currently logged into the platform. So I personally use this software a lot. You can see I've already added a script in here. So an amazing thing about this is if you head over to speech on the left side of your screen, you will be able to see a lot of different type of speeches that you can generate. So you can see these are all of the voiceovers that are generated. So if you want to simply upload your own audio and replicate it, you have that option as well. You can choose from different type of voices that it has to offer. So let me make you guys hear one of them as well.
As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others.
So you heard, guys, it is actually really realistic, and the amazing thing is you can create your own voices as well, which are totally customizable. So if you head over to your voices from the left side of your screen and then head over to personal, you can create your own or clone your voice. You can see create or clone a new voice, click on add a new voice, and then you are going to be uploading your samples in here. Once you do that, you will be able to select different type of fields and click on generate, and it will be generating voices according to the one that you speak, and it is going to be a really realistic. So you have some other sound effect features as well that you can implement onto your recordings, and an amazing platform. I highly recommend this ElevenLabs for your projects which need voiceovers, could be American native and many others. Now if you are unsure about its reviews, it is going to be having amazing reviews on G2, an excellent AI voice solution, amazing product and team. So you can give it a try using the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned and see you in the next one.